Asia FX bears hit record high on hawkish Fed, China growth worries. Reuters poll bearish bets on numerous Asian currencies hit a file excessive in the face of rising U.S. hobby charges that supported the dollar, whilst repeated COVID-19 lockdowns threatened to disrupt financial recuperation in China, a poll found on Thursday. Short positions in the South Korean received, the Singapore dollar, the Malaysian ringgit, and the Philippine peso hit their highest on report, in keeping with the fortnightly ballot of 10 respondents. The greenback become perched at a two-decade high this week, as red-hot U.S. inflation information expanded the probability of extra-aggressive hobby rate hikes from the Federal Reserve. On Wednesday, the Fed brought a extensively expected 75 basis point (BPS) hike that markets deciphered as a proactive flow to diminish inflationary pressures, helping Asian Currencies Corporation. The ballot responses had been collated before the Fed's decision. We anticipate investor sentiment to remain fickle and financial market conditions to live uneven into 3Q22, Selena Ling, head of studies and strategy at OCBC wrote in Observe, adding, the dimensions of the Fed's hikes this year may be among 50 bits per second and 75 bits per second. The Fed's rate selections have often been a yardstick for neighborhood central banks to border policy. However, given the lagging tempo of economic recuperation from COVID-19 in emerging Asia, the tempo of hawkish policy amongst regional valuable banks might also vary. Further complicating matters is China's strict zero-COVID stance, which has led to predominant cities slipping inside and out of lockdowns, raising worries approximately a sputtering rebound in the global's second large street economic system. I see a high possibility that China will nevertheless bear repeated Omicron lockdowns this 12 months unless it modifications its COVID-0 policy, stated Jeffrey Haley, senior marketplace analyst, Asia Pacific, OANDA. China's increase outlook remains tough to say the least, even more so if key export markets shift to slowing increase as tighter monetary policy bites. Short positions in China's yuan hovered near an all-time excessive hit closing month. Elsewhere, bearish bets on Indonesia's rupiah have been at their highest due to the fact April 2020. The forex sank to its lowest given that October 2020 earlier this week. Market participants were additionally downbeat on the Indian rupee that hit a document low on Monday, with quick positions at a more than 3.5-year high. India's wholesale prices recorded their quickest annual upward thrust in extra than 30 years, raising expectations for greater price hikes by means of the principal bank, records confirmed this week. The Asian foreign money positioning ballot is targeted on what analysts and fund managers consider are the present-day marketplace positions in 9 Asian emerging marketplace currencies: the Chinese yuan, South Korean gained, Singapore dollar, Indonesian rupiah, Taiwan dollar, Indian rupee, Philippine peso, Malaysian ringgit and the Thai baht. The ballot makes use of estimates of internet long or brief positions on a scale of -3 to +3. A score of +3 suggests the market is substantially lengthy U.S. bucks. The figures encompass positions held via non-deliverable forwards (NDFs). The survey findings are supplied beneath positions in U.S. dollar versus every foreign money, date USD, CUSD, USD, SUSD, IUSD, USD, 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 TNYKRWGD Dr. TWDININRMYRPHPHB 16 Jun 22 1.541, 79 1.35 1.33 1.23 1.661, 67 1.7 1.3402 Jun 22 1.22 0.56 0.38 0.900, 73 1.18 1.060, 59 0.54 19 May 22 1, 91, 55 1.07 1.19 1.63 1.35 1.53 1.151, 5605 May 22 1, 75 1.500, 73 0.561, 49 1.04 1.47 1.09 1.33 21 April 22 0.10 1.07 0.17 0.03 0.940 75 0.89 1.00 0.7107 April 22 0. 41 0.990 46 0.050, 81 0.630 0.320, 53 0.31 24 Mar 22 0.160, 98 0.19 0.04 1.16 0.99 0.121, 40 0.4609 Mar 22 0, 85 1.22 0.80, 49 0.97 1.10 0.05 0.89 0.08, polling through Savyata Mishra, editing by means of Rashmi Aik.